Good morning, students. As in last lecture, we had to solve some questions based on homogeneous differential equation. But now we are going to solve questions based on linear differential equation. Because you know very well the chapter is over, so I am just going to practice the differential equation one by one. So this time we are going to solve differential equation, linear differential equation, questions based on linear differential equation. So see, solve x dy by dx minus y. The questions based on linear differential equation. Solve x dy by dx, x dy by dx minus y is equals to x square. Okay, so this is the linear differential equation. Why? Because dy by dx is nothing but minus of y by x is equals to x, and this you can write dy by dx plus of minus 1 by x into y is equals to x. This is equation number 1, and clearly this is the linear differential equation. Now comparing with dy by dx plus py is equals to q, we have p is equals to minus 1 upon x and q is equals to x. Now what is integrating factor? Integrating factor is e to the power integral of p dx, and this is nothing but e to the power minus of 1 upon x dx. This is e to the power minus of log x. We can write it as e to the power log of 1 by x, and you know very well this is nothing but 1 by x. And now what is the solution? You know very well what is the solution of this type of linear differential equation. Y into integrating factor is equal to integrating q into integrating factor and dx. So y into 1 by x, this is nothing but q is x into 1 by x dx, and this is nothing but y by x is equals to integral of dx plus c. So y by x is nothing but x plus c. So y is nothing but x square plus cx. This is the solution of the given linear differential equation. Okay, so please note it down, and then after we see some more questions in 2012. This question asked in 2012. Okay, so first to solve this, and then after we see. Okay, I hope so you completed. Now next one you see, solve dy by dx plus sec x into y is equals to tan x. dy by dx, solve this differential equation. dy by dx plus sec x into y is equal to tan x. Okay, 0 is less than x is less than pi by 2, where 0 is less than or equal to x is less than pi by 2. This is asked in 2006, 8 and 12. CBSE 2006, 8 and 12. See, solution of this question, this particular question. See, so this is linear, obviously this is linear differential equation. So comparing with comparing with dy by dx plus py is equals to q. So p is nothing but sec x and q is nothing but tan x. Now integrating factor is e to the power integral of p dx. E to the power integral of p dx, that means p integral of sec x dx. Integral of sec x, and you know very well integral of sec x is nothing but log of sec x plus tan x. So this is simply sec x plus tan x. Okay. Now what will be the solution of this differential equation? Y into integrating factor, integral of e to the power integral of p dx, that means integrating factor into q and dx. So this is nothing but for e p dx is sec x plus tan x and multiplied by tan x dx. Now integrate and get the solution of this particular differential equation. Maybe you know the integration. This is sec x tan x, this is tan square x. Tan square x is converted into sec square x minus 1 and then integrate it. Okay. So please see, and afterwards we can see another question. First you note it down. Okay, I hope you completed this one also. Now next question you write. dy by dx minus y is equals to x e power x. dy by dx minus y is equals to x e to the power x. Okay. Now, this is also a differential equation, linear differential equation. You can write it as plus of minus 1 into y is equals to x e power x. This is equation number 1. Comparing with dy by dx plus py is equals to q, we will get p as a minus 1 and q is equals to x e to the power x. Okay. So p is equals to minus 1 and q is equal to x to the power x. Now integrating factor, this is nothing but e to the power integral of p dx, and you know very well this is e to the power minus of 1 dx, and this is e to the power minus x. Now solution of this differential equation, y into integrating factor is equals to q into integrating factor and dx. So y into integrating factor, that means e to the power minus of x, and this is nothing but minus of x e to the power x into minus of x dx. This is nothing but y to the power minus x is equals to minus of x square e to the power x dx. Now integrate it by integration by part. You know very well y into e to the power minus x is equal to first minus of within bracket first function x square integral of second function e to the power x minus of differentiation of second function 2x e to the power x dx. Okay, now this is y into e to the power minus x to the minus of x square e to the power x minus of 2 within this bracket. Again we differentiated by integrated by the integral by part. We will get x e to the power x minus of 1 into e to the power x dx within bracket. This is closed. So this is minus of this x e to the power x minus 2 times x e to the power x minus plus 2 times e to the power x plus c, and this is y power minus x, and this is the solution for this particular differential equation. So note it down, and then after we can suppose another example, another question. Note down. Now see next question. Cos square x dy by dx, cos square x dy by dx minus of plus of y is equals to tan x, plus of y is equals to tan x. This is of CBSE 1998, 2003, 2008, 11. 1998 CBSE exam, 1998, 2001, 2003, 8 and 11. Okay, so this is also a most important question, so please see. First of all, we convert it in the form of linear differential equation. So what is the form? See, dividing by cos square x, we will get y dy by dx plus 1 upon cos square y. This is y equals to tan x upon cos square x. So this is nothing but dy by dx plus sec square x y into y, that means this y, and this is nothing but tan x into sec square x. Okay, now comparing with dy by dx plus py is equal to q, we will get p is equal to sec square x and q is equal to tan x into sec square x. Now integrating factor, we find here integrating factor, and this is nothing but integrating factor is integral of e to the power p dx. So this is e power integral of p, that means sec square x dx, and this is nothing but e to the power tan x. Okay, and now solution. You know very well what is the solution of this type of differential equation. Y into integrating factor is equal to q into integrating factor dx. Y into e to the power tan x is equal to q tan x sec square x e to the power tan x and dx. So for integrating that particular function, we will have, suppose tan x is equal to t. This is sec square x dx is equal to dt. So y into e to the power tan x, this is nothing but t into e power t dt. Integrate it and put the value of t, replace the value of t, and then replace the value of what? No, if you replace the value of t, you will get the solution in x and y. So many questions we have discussed here. So please try to complete this chapter, and whenever our offline classes start, we will start vector and 3D. Thank you.